What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I will be test fitting my new wheels on the Wagon, since I have not given the Wagon any love lately. So the Wagon is gonna get some love today, and if you guys noticed, the sedan is not here. No, it's not here. It's not here. Just the Wagon. But the sedan is not here because it is getting painted by Ricky right now. The whole kit's getting painted with the side skirts and front bumper. So hopefully it'll be done within like a week, because he said a week to 2 weeks. But we'll see. But first, before we get everything started on the test fitting wheels, we are going to wash this bitch. I don't remember the last time I turned her on, so we'll see. Oh, perks of having a brand new battery. That is not accurate. That is accurate now. If you guys are new to the channel, this is the Wagon. Strictly just show car use and personal looking use. I have no clue why there's like a fat gap right here. And over here, there's no gap. I think it's the pool. Yeah, look at that. Let's see. This side is higher, yeah. You can tell if you look closely. Oh yeah. It kind of bothers me. What the fuck? Why is this so high? Hold up. Fuck. I guess this side's higher. I don't know. But yeah, that's the Wagon, guys. So I went to go drop off my car the other day at Ricky's to get painted, and the color we chose is gonna be a way darker color, and it's basically what I had before, but a little bit better, hopefully. So Ricky's gonna be painting that, and I just hope it turns out a little bit better than before. And I wanted to go yellow before because I wanted it to be like a little bit more brighter. Like I told you guys, I wanted it like for my like channel to be actually like a little bit brighter with the yellow. But that's not gonna happen because the 1J is now in it, and I don't want to like put myself out there like hey, I'm here, pull me over. But yeah, that's why I'm gonna go with a darker color. But anyways, let's wash this bitch.
Of dreams.
She's finally clean. I haven't seen her clean like this in months probably, but check it out. I'm surprised this thing has this original paint is still good. This fun fact, this actual hood is actually the hood from my old sedan that's getting painted right now by Ricky. Yeah, my sedan had like the best, one of the best paints. But yeah. Minus the fenders now, shit. But yeah, she's clean. Alright, I'm gonna take off the side skirt so I could jack it up and test fit the wheels. But yeah, my suspension's kind of shitty, so hopefully it goes all the way down so I can see where it's sitting at. But if you guys did not know, I did get new wheels if you guys watched my other video, so hit the link on top if you guys want to check them out. But these are my new wheels for the Wagon. Vienna Crease. Oh shit. Hold on, take them out. Oh, so here they are, 5.5 inch lips. So my buddy at VR actually built these for me, and they're 18 by 10 and 10.5, I believe. So they're a little bit, they're not as wide as the Vishnus, because the Vishnus are 18 by 10 plus 6, and the rears are 18 by 11 plus 16. I don't really know the offset. He gave me a little estimate, so we're just gonna have to see. These are the 5.5 inch lips. I have to find the fronts. I think these are the rears, because the fronts are probably 5-inch lips. This is a bottom one too. I have to take them all out. So these are the fronts and these are the rears. You can tell by the little difference right here. Just a slight difference. Just a half right there. So fronts, rears. That's also a rear. So I'm gonna test fit these in the front right now. I'm pretty sure they'll fit, but hopefully they clear like the coilover and everything. So let's go check that out. After 30 minutes of finding these two keys, because I left my keys in my other car when I dropped it off for Ricky to paint. After 30 minutes of finding extra ones, I finally found them, and the wheels are about to come out. So we'll take a looky look, see how they fit. Oh shit! Ooh, still got some new tire. Little wear downs, wear and tears. Let's get these 100-pound fucking wheels to fit. So they're 5 by 114.3 and 4 by, so it's like a dual. I gotta find it right. Okay, here it is. Oh damn, son. Hold up, I'm gonna put these legs on. Damn, son, that shit is gonna be so nice. So like, it's still on the jack, so I can't really see, but as of right now, it will fit, but it'll be a little bit sunk in, maybe a little spacer. I'm gonna see if it fits. Oh yeah, the coilover's right there if you guys see it. But all that's from my Vishnus, because they hit the coilover every time it hits a dip. But there's about like almost 1.5 finger gap from the coilover, so we might be good. But if you think about it, it's not on the ground yet, so I can't really tell. But oh yeah, if I put the caps on. Damn, dude, these will look so nice. I can't wait to run these. But right now, I haven't even test fitted these yet, so that's why I wanted to do it. But there's definitely a lot of tuck in the back. I could have fit 11s. But my plan was to get these wheels and put it on the wagon, but I thought about it. I wanted to put it on the sedan, since my rear, I don't have any arms, so it's gonna be poking out a lot, no camber. But these are probably gonna go for the wagon, and then Vishnus I am going to try to fit on the sedan, because I always wanted these like VIP look for the wagon. Ooh. I just hope they're not too sunk in. I gotta find some wood or whatever to put on. I'm gonna test fit the front right now. Ooh, still brand new tire too. I get it front wheel. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's fit, baby. Damn, that should sag a lot. Oh, this shit gonna fit. Shit gonna fit perfectly. These look fire, honestly. I love these wheels. They might be a little bit sunk in the rear, but the fronts look almost perfect. because the lower control arms push those wheels out a lot. But look at that. I'm gonna try to find some wood blocks and see if I could drop it down, but we'll see. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Are these fire or nah? Or the Vishnus are always fire? What do you guys think? For the fronts, I'm gonna run 215/35, just the same tires as these, I think. Let me see where oh, right here. 215, yeah, 215/35 18 on the front, and then 225/40 in the rear. That's what I'm trying to go for, because these are 225/40s too, but these are 11s and those are 10.5s. So I don't know, maybe same tire all around. Who knows? Or 215/40. Alright guys, some ghetto woods. Hopefully they don't fuck up anything. I got a brick and a little piece of wood right there. Yellow. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna put the camera down. Here we go. Oh! Kind of put that down too fast. Ah! There we go. Slowly going down. Oh my god, this motherfucker tucking. This side's just the same. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can. So the fronts, because they're not that low, so we're at right there. Damn, it's just gonna be like the Vishnus, to be honest. Maybe tuck a little. The rears are fucking. It's fucking. Holy shit! Look how much clearance that is. I'm gonna check the back. Oh shit! I might have to run a little spacer. Definitely. Yeah, it's almost touching the coilover. Let me check this one. This one's fine. It clears the caliper. Hell yeah. But hell yeah, guys, they fit good. I might have to put a spacer in the rear so it doesn't rub the coil over as much. And then the front, we'll just have to find out, because it doesn't go as low because my front is way higher than the rear. So I would have to check that out. But yeah, hell yeah, dude. I just need to get some tires. But that's gonna have to wait. I just wanted to test fit it for you guys, because I got these wheels probably a month now. I've had these for a month now, and I just wanted to test fit them and yeah, see if they fit. They fit perfect, except for the rear is just a little sunk in. Fronts fit perfect, and yeah, they got some fatty lips too. Shit, fucking mirrors on the car, bro. These are mirrors. They look bunk with without the caps, but the caps are right here. Hopefully they fit my lug nuts, because the lug nuts aren't really that big. I mean, that small, because they're supposed to be really small, so they could fit on here. Like acorn lug nuts, but they fit to my standards. The Vishnus are back on. So I'm going to get some tires after I get like my sedan settled in. Once I get my sedan back in from Ricky. So the kit will be done. I still have to chop up the front bumper a little bit so I can fit the intercooler. And the intercooler is actually not mounted right now either. So if you guys see my last video, I'll put the link up here. We actually just zip tied it because we had no other place to put it. So yeah, I gotta fix that. I actually ordered more new piping, intercooler piping, because in the last video, like I said too, I basically scrapped whatever I can off of Gus's and Dallas's old piping, leftover piping they had, and I have a boost leak, so that's why I got new piping. That comes in next week, so I'll probably be vlogging that too. And boost gauge. My boost gauge should be coming in next week, so next week's gonna be a little bit more popping. I'm actually gonna be vlogging more for you guys, because I feel like I owe it to you guys, because I did not vlog the 1J swap when I said I was going to. So yeah, even though I have work starting this Saturday and the next week's, I don't know how that's gonna go, but I am gonna start vlogging for you guys because I feel like I owe it to you guys. And we actually have a big announcement to make, but we're not gonna tell you guys right now, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's basically it. I wanted to test fit the wheels, like I said, for you guys, and I actually wanted to actually see it myself because I've had these wheels just laying around for over a month and just wanted to see actually how it looks. So I just need to get tires, but once I get my car back from Ricky from the paint, I'm gonna do the intercooler piping, like I said, and fix the intercooler mount and trim off the exhaust. Not the exhaust. Trim off the bumper. Jeez, I can't talk today, guys. I'm sorry. I just haven't been vlogging like this, you know. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get that done. For now, guys, that'll be it. Thank you for coming back to the channel and supporting us and showing us love like always. We'll be back again. I promise you I will get these vlogs at least once a week. Even though I work, like I said, I will get this out for you guys. Thank you guys again for the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Deuces.